Alrighty, welcome back guys to another video. Salesvision Mindset360 training, step 7, rolling through them. So if you haven't watched my video that I did yesterday, step 6, go and watch that. I'm not sure why I'm telling you to do that. I've forgotten. Good start, Damo. Why did I want you to go back and watch that video? Well, one, it'll help my channel. Should be good. Give it a like. Oh, it's gone. Anyway, I'll just stuff it. So step 7 is about being it's come back to me. I'll get to what we're doing in a minute. Hold on. So it was $1 million day yesterday. So basically you had to find an area in your life that you had a lot of space and clutter in. Might have been a garage, might have been your wardrobe, closet, whatever you want to call it. And you had to clean it out. And I just wanted to share the feelings and what I felt once. Well, going through the process was really good. And then once I'd finished the process and cleaned that space up, I could actually feel it. I could feel the space in my room. My room felt more open. And I could feel that I was going to be, there was space to allow new things to enter my life. So that's what I wanted to tell you. So now we can get into it. So step 7 is how to be a professional inviter. This is what I learned. So the takeaways as well. So there are 4 steps to being a professional inviter. The first one is to build rapport. So building rapport is finding common ground with someone and asking them questions that you're generally interested about them, getting to know them. The next one is to use the leverage. So it might be the person that you want them to talk to next. So using leverage or using their own leverage that they've given you throughout your conversations. They would have given you some little, triggers and things that they've said that will show you that they are interested. The next thing, step 3, is set an appointment. So set that appointment with, Vincent or Asia, whoever's supporting you, or whoever's higher up than you, to give you some credibility, and then close the sale. That's my take. So they're the 4 steps. Also, you need to become a professional inviter. You need to get your prospects to create a free account on the Salesvision website using your registration link. Then what you're going to do is you're going to send them your Facebook link as well. And what we're going to do then is something that we called social proofing. So through you adding them to your Facebook and tagging them in certain posts, such as Vincent's or Asia's or anything to do with Salesvision that is exciting and people can see the value in it, we're going to start tagging people in that so they can see the value. And Asia and Vincent and all the gang are going to do what they do best, and that's sell. Those guys will sell it for you. So that's what, the whole point about being a professional inviter and getting good at that is. So pretty much, guys, if you haven't already started, I'd get started. If you want to meet the gang, Asia, Vincent Ortega Jr., Clifton Hatfield, Thor, Ryan, Jeremy, Betsy, Sherry, there's a few more I've probably forgotten, but get on board, jump on, start learning, start growing. The initial, it's free. There's free training in there for you guys to get started. Like, what's there to lose? You're going to jump on and you're going to fiddle around with it, and you're either going to decide, hey, this is not for me, I don't enjoy it. It's free, so you've lost nothing. Or you're going to jump on, you're going to start doing these challenges in the training, and you're going to start to see your own growth, and you're going to go, shit, I want more of this. And that's the beautiful thing about this. Keep following the steps and you keep growing along. Peace and love. See you in the next video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Love you all.